And welcome back to the final video of the day, where I see if I can make this thing move around my nav mesh. And it looks like the player, the little capsule thing that I made, is probably a little too big. So we'll see if I can, when I import or instance it or whatever is going to go on here into my scene, if I can resize it in there. I might have to resize it in here, but we'll see if I can resize it in the other scene. So let's see here. Okay, I need to do this, and then okay. So I'm just watching him explain what everything is. Supposedly he already had this group units, and so I don't know if that's going to air out or if it's just not going to do anything. Hopefully it just won't do anything. Okay, so what did he do? What did he do? Okay, so he added an extra camera, which I don't need to add because the Blender I actually already added everything, and then when I imported it, it imported just fine. So okay, so he's instancing the scene here. So let's go to the mesh test, and then that's weird. He put it under navigation mesh instance. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so let's instance a scene. Let's instance my player. Okay. Open. Okay. Oh, neat. Can I move? Okay. And move that up. And I actually don't care if it's floating or not. See, as I thought, it's a little too big. So let's see if I can I modify that? Maybe not. Let's see, transform. Let's scale it to 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5, like that. Now he's a little guy. Look at that little guy. Okay. Okay. So this will work. Save it. Okay. So he's actually positioning the camera, which I don't have to do like I said. And of course that still can't collide, but it doesn't need to. Oh. Okay, so we'll have to add a script to the camera. Let's go ahead and add a script to the camera. we're going to go ahead and create, and then I have to type in. All right, let's see. What time are we at right now? 5 minutes. Okay. So right now I need to const gray length equals 1000. Func input event. So this is the other thing as far as coding, which is probably not a big deal just because you're not doing a full program in here, you're just doing scripting. But another thing the semicolon affords, it means that I can take a line and I can put it on, I can split it up into different deals because usually C++ and C# compilers will disregard the white space, and it will process the commands until it hits the semicolon. And here I can't really do that, right? Unless there's a special like character or something in GD script that says go ahead and jump down to the next line. I can't really do that in here. So anyways, we need to get to this. If event is input event mouse button and event dot pressed. Huh. There's no event dot pressed here? Or is it? And event dot button index equals 1 colon unexpected assign. Oh, okay, so that's fine. So event dot pressed is fine, right? Okay. Var from equals project gray version event dot position unexpected assign where? Unexpected assign double equals. That's the one thing that I always irked me when I moved to C from Pascal, because Pascal's assignment is colon equals, so you can kind of think of it as like a pipe. The equal sign is a pipe, and the colon as the end of a pipe. So number or something goes through the pipe to the end cap, which is your variable. So you say x equals x colon equals 1 semicolon, and so that means that 1 goes into the pipe and into the x variable, and then the equality operator was just a plain equals, and so that just made it easier. So when I went to C, it was like double equal equals, and I was like, what's the equal equals, and so that was just a pain in the butt, and I still have a problem with it from time to time now. Okay, let's check our time again. 8 minutes. Okay, we're almost done, but I might have to extend this to the full 15 minutes or whatever. Var 2 equals from plus project ray normal. Okay, event dot. Oh, wait. Okay. Event dot position. Okay. Times gray length. Var space state equals get world dot correct space state. Var result equals space state dot intersect ray from comma 2 comma array exclude, which is probably nothing in here, collision mask, I guess 1, I don't know. Okay, so that's alright. If result get tree dot call group. See, I don't know about the whole units thing. Move to result dot position. Okay, so see, there's that units thing again, and so expected parenthesis in what? Intersect array. I guess I have a habit of putting extra parentheses. Okay. Okay, so supposedly this would work. I don't have the units thing, so I don't know if it's... maybe it'll work because I added the player to the units thing, so maybe it'll just work, but maybe it won't. So let's see what we got here. Select. Okay. Open. See, it's not moving. That has something to do with... See, it's something he already had in there, this unit thing. And, the players... so, I don't know what the deal is here. It kind of sucks though, because I think it didn't work partly just because the whole units thing. Let's check out the debugger. Let's see what the errors are. Delta is never used in the function physics process. Move slide returns a value, but this value is never used. So, is that an actual error? Delta is never used, which is fine. Move and slide, but it's never used. Okay. See, yeah. Is that some sort of stoppable error? Is that... So you already had some sort of thing for units. See, and that sucks because I don't know what that is, and I don't know why. Okay, so the move to method is in here. Okay, so it adds to a group named units. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working. It doesn't work. So, yeah. Let's see something here. Let's go ahead and play again. Nothing happens. no way, no idea why. So what's the deal? I don't know. Got the camera script and the unit script. Units move to result position. Right, unit script. So path index, move speed, nav equals get parent, function ready. When it's ready, it'll just add it to this group, and so that is what allows the camera to be able to I'll see some here. I suppose let's see, where does he add? Let me do one thing though here. Player. That's not what I want. Mesh test. Player. Let's make sure this is way up here. Actually, let's go ahead and do this up here too. So let's boost this guy up here too, like that. Let's Control S and let's Control S. And let's just make sure that that wasn't a problem. See, nothing's happened, so I don't get it. Huh. Okay, well, I have to go ahead. I'm gonna, this is all saved and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and close this. Quit. Yes. And I am going to go ahead and put this, actually put this back in here. And this other, we can just close it. I know this is a long one and we didn't fix it, so what I'll see is I'll try to by tomorrow see if I can figure out anything. See, the problem is I don't know scripting enough. I don't know what his thing is enough to know what my actual problem is. I must have did a step wrong, or he included something just to demonstrate some things. I apologize. We'll tomorrow we'll see if we can fix it and get it working, because I really need that working for my game. So thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time.